Okay, y'all, so when you see me like this in the video, just know that's not part of the video. I'm just putting like clips like this in between, so y'all, cause this is just me editing, putting clips in between, bro, explaining certain stuff. So when you see me like this, just know it's not part of the video, gang. And if you like it, like it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so he's struggling. Blondin is so terrible. He's struggling to find a jacket. No. Because like I don't know what he's doing with them. Yeah, it might be cold in the place, but we're about to go bowling. First we said we was gonna go skate. My mom was like, she's not finna skate, and it's supposed to be like a little family activity. So it was like, if you're not gonna skate, what are you coming for? You know what I'm saying? So since she's not gonna skate, I changed it to bowling, and now we finna go bowling.
We're going skating the next time. I just hope you know.
I mean, yeah, but I guess it'll just be me and you, because what's the point of her coming if she's not going
skating?
She's not gonna skate. So I'm just catch her when I'm at the skating room. I'm gonna catch her whenever. Hey yo. Okay. Bro, that don't naughty. Oh. Oh, mom, you only have one pick. Damn, shot. Damn, you dookie.
I don't like bowling.
Alright, go, mom. Y'all doing that hard just for it to go right there. Alright, bro. I'm player 1, my mom's player 2, and Omar's player 3. I'm really carrying them all in this zone, bro. Not. Huh?
I'm done?
No, I think you still got one more go. Yeah, you got one more go. Okay, y'all, so I look real here right now, but we're not here to talk about that. What we're about to talk about is how I'm pressed gonna get my hair done tomorrow after I don't know how many months. Like, really geeking over here. So I'm like, since I'm getting my hair done, maybe I might as well do lash. We might as well just lash up. You know what I'm saying? You might as well just lash up. And when I tell y'all switching to lash strips, that's what these called? Lash strips, individuals, I don't know. Switching to this is one of the best things you can do. Like, stop giving your money to them lash techs, baby. Like, stop, bro. Like, you can literally do it yourself, and these are not hard, bro. I promise you. I got these off of Amazon. They called, I don't want to say this wrong and then sound dumb. Y'all can just look at it for yourselves, but that's what it's called, bro. And like, this brand or whatever, it's not the only type. They got like different sizes or whatever you can get. And this is the glue I use. Don't mind my glue. Okay, the name done got scraped off. I forgot the name, but I got this off. This is what it look like. You can look for it on Amazon, but I got this off Amazon. This glue has last me for a minute. This joint is about like $15, bro. $15 I pay for it. Definitely taxing. I be seeing people use hair glue and stuff like that, but I don't know. I'm sorry, but if it's just hair glue, then keep it on your head. Just because it works don't mean you should put it there. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm basically gonna show y'all how I do it. Like, it's real simple. I don't even know if I have enough glue, but we're gonna really try to make it do what it do for real, because baby, I've been taking the last break because I actually like my natural lashes. I actually like my natural lashes, and my natural lashes are like, they're a decent size. Oh, that's crazy. I was about to say, I thought my thing came off. Like I was saying, damn, I done lost my train of thought. Yeah, I actually like my natural lashes. Like, I mess with them joints, and I hate when you take, because before I used to do these strips or whatever these joints called, I used to get individuals by lash taking. Baby, when I took my individuals off, like, for the first time, because I was taking a break, when I tell you, I didn't even recognize myself. Like, it took me a good minute to get used to my face. And that's literally because you have no lashes, bro. Like, we be like, oh, it's taking us a good minute to get used to our face being like this, but no, that's not how our face used to look. Like, we had lashes, we just don't have lashes no more. But I'm real life just chatting, so I'm about to just show y'all how I do this. And okay, y'all, I just peeped past. I was gonna show y'all how I did my lashes, and I didn't even show y'all, so my fault on that. Really, I was really just chatting for real. I was speaking facts, but I was really just chatting and I'm not showing y'all. Okay, so this is my first eye, and I doubled it. It looked kind of funny because I accidentally poked myself, and my eye started to water, so like it's kind of wet. Like, you can tell this one right here, but this is basically how you do your job. That's basically it. It's very simple. So now I'm finna, bro, I'm so mad I just got this red. Like, it's really going to piss me off. It's not gonna hit the same. But dang. But this is whatever. It's whatever. Look at me. My face not even done. I'm already feeling like a whole different, like, what? I want this to dry down. I need my eyebrows done so bad. Like, so bad. It's crazy. Everything done. Like, this one really just soaked out my whole teeth, like, and it's red. It's about to throw me out because, yeah, but whatever. I'm about to do this eye and I'm gonna be right back. I'm done. It definitely took me longer than usual. They definitely look a little different if you stare a little bit too much, but I fake got lazy eye, so I'm not even going. I'm not gonna do that to myself, because if I do, then I'm gonna just keep taking them off and doing over again. I'm not for that. And I'm definitely hungry, like, what? But that's pretty much it. Am I gonna take y'all to the appointment with me?
Can I be in my room and just sit there?
No. We fake got beef, so he can't be in here. We fake got beef, so he can't be in here. But yeah, I'm not gonna take y'all to the appointment with me. I'm not like that yet. I'm not. This is my second time going to this girl. Like, I don't even talk. Yeah, it's definitely gone. It's gonna have to. Well, I'm strong as hell. Okay, but it's definitely gonna have to progress up to that. Let me stop. Oh my goodness, what the heck, bro? I'm not even flexing now. Look. Okay, let me lift this camera if I act the fool. Yeah, I don't know how to. I got freaking nail glue, lash glue all on me. But that's it. I'm not gonna take y'all to the appointment. Yeah, I'll take y'all like as I'm getting there. But once I enter that door, that's it. Y'all excuse the bummery, okay? Excuse the bummery. You know, I'm about to go get this hair done. But tell me why my hairstylist, she gonna text me. I'm already gonna, this is my second time. Look at me already claiming her, but that's what I'm gonna be going to from now on. But tell me why she gonna text me at 8 something talking about the address is so and so. This girl used to be 4 minutes away from me. Now she's 16 minutes away from me, and that's not even far for real. My thing is, why you gonna change the appointment? Why you gonna change the address and tell me the day of the appointment? Like, why you not gonna tell me 24 hours before the appointment? Now, what if you was actually 3 hours away from me or 2 hours away from me? You think I would still be coming? No, bro. You would done lost the client and I wouldn't have been able to get my hair done. Like, what is wrong with some of you stylists, bro? You supposed to tell me 24 hours before the appointment. How you gonna tell me day of the appointment, bro? Like, that's mad irritating, yo. Like, I'm so mad right now, bro. But you know, that's all gonna change when I get the hair done. So, am I stressing? I'm not. Just a little irritated, but I'm not stressing. But that really just pissed me off, yo. Like, really, like, she's not even gonna say, and I moved. She's gonna say, here's the new address, exclamation point. Like, girl, be so for real with yourself. Like, what is your problem, bro? Like, some people just don't think with common sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, that just, like, it annoys me how much of a lack there is in some people. Like, what the heck, bro? Like, that really just pissed me off, bro. She's gonna text me at 8:30 talking about, here's the new address. Or she's just gonna say new address and then send the address. Like, why you gonna tell me you got a new address day of the appointment? Like, beast, bro, I'm so mad, bro. But I don't know why I'm, like, stressing for, like, because I'm about to be pressed when I get that hair done, bro. I'm about to be a new woman when I get that hair done. So, this skin about to start acting right when I get this hair done too, bro. Y'all peep how my skin kind of acting right now. Like, it's taking a little bit of time. You know, I got this big little bump right here, but it's taking its time. But you know, that's what that new hair just do for you. Like, that skin ain't A1, but it's definitely getting there. Like, it's acting right. When this hair came in, bro, the skin already knew what was up. Like, this hair was not playing with the skin. Like, really locked in, for real now. Just wait till this is gone. I honestly think it's because my period is about to come, and sometimes I be getting them little period pimples, but I've been doing my little 1-2, and we almost there. That's all I can say, is we almost there. Y'all, my style cute too. I'm already gonna show y'all. Y'all just gonna see when I'm done. Okay, y'all just gonna see it. Bro, she really just pissed me off, but it's whatever, bro. I'm not tripping. Like, I'm still getting my hair done, so I'm not tripping. Okay, y'all, we back. Forehead beaming though, it's okay. You know, y'all gotta wait till the edges really drop down, you know, so you know. I have no excuse. Like, my forehead is just big. Like, I'm sweating a little bit, so look at the light just reflecting on my junk. Damn. But that's cool. The girls stay on the hairstyle. You know, you just gotta wait to the edges, you know, so they can calm down, you know, cultivate them a little bit. Yeah, she ate. When I tell y'all, I was screaming. Like, I wasn't screaming, but like, y'all know, on the inside, my body was on fire. I'm hella tender-headed. So when she was doing my stuff, I was like, damn. And you know, my dumb self, when I showed her the hairstyle, I didn't peep these were stitch braids. Like, do people even do regular cornrows anymore? Like, y'all just do stitch braids? Like, stitch braids hurt so bad, bro. Like, so freaking bad. Like, oh my goodness. When I sent her the thing, I didn't peep that, not her Texas skin. I didn't peep they were stitch braids, bro. I'm just sitting here thinking they regular cornrows, bro. I only peeped till she had that little tool that them hairstylists be having, you know, to... Bro, it was so freaking painful. Like, when I tell you, my head is so stiff right now. Like, it's so stiff. And like, my forehead not even big, bro. My junk really 3D. Like, it's really 3D. Like, bro. And the fact that it's gonna take at least a week before I can really pull out some more hair, bro. Like, I got this one thick piece here and one, bro. You know what? It's cool though, because she still ate on the hairstyle. She got me right. She did, and she ate on the heart, so I can't even complain. She really did her 1-2. She did. Yo, I tell you, I was pressed because she recorded me and she put me on her page. Like, this is my second time going to her, and the first time I went to her, I got not lit, so I'm like, okay, I know she's not gonna post on her page. But when she texted me and she was like, ooh, yes, and I was like, okay, and she was like, yeah, I was like, let me stop. When she said, she was like, oh yes, she should put the exclamation point. I said, yeah, I know you finna put me on your page. I know. Okay, bruh, she didn't even post me on her page, bruh. She posted me on her story, but we finna get there. It's gonna take time, but we finna get there. I just gotta keep coming with them styles back to back. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I give her that style, then she gonna post me on her page. But I mean, the story is just as good. It's just as good. But we finna work our way onto that page. Just trust me, we finna work our way onto that page for sure. I know, girl, I know. She didn't post it yet though. I hope I wasn't looking crazy, because I wasn't trying to look at the camera, because y'all, I'm fake awkward. I'm not even fake awkward. I am awkward. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm awkward. I was trying so hard. Now, she had like some show on that she always be watching when I'm there. So I be talking to her like, I be talking about this girl like I know her for real. We gonna build that though. We gonna build that. Trust. But she had the show, and I was trying to fake look at the TV and fake like look at my phone, knowing damn well ain't nobody texting me, this phone stay dry. But you know, I was trying to play it off. I know she ain't post me today, but I just want to see what I look like. Like, oh my goodness. And she didn't really even do my, like, bro, like, there's really nothing I can pull down. You got this thick piece here, and like everything is just so thin. Like, my edge is really giving no. What is her name? Oh, she didn't post me on, ooh, but she posted on her story though. I look crazy. I'm not even gonna. Damn, bro. She did me wrong. My neck is hella stiff in this jump, bro. Hella. Damn, this is today's. Like, girl, look how I look. I mean, my lashes look good though, but she did me so wrong. Ooh, she did me so wrong. She didn't even lay my sideburns, bro. Like, she really got my sideburns really like, That's so terrible. So terrible. She ate on that heart. I want to show y'all, but damn, I look too bad. I look crazy. But yeah, y'all just got their hair done. There's this another style I want after this. I want to get a wig. Like, I have this wig and I've been having it for so freaking long, bro. And my mom keep asking me for it, but she's not getting it, bro. Like, I'm gonna install that wig, not you, girl. And I want to do this to it. It's so cute. Every time I've gotten a wig, it's always been black. So I'm gonna do this to it. This is so cute to me. I think I can pull this color off because, I mean, okay, so it's 2:55. And we about to go to the mall to do some shopping for Omar. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. Yes, yeah. That's pretty much it. We're just about to go do some shopping for him and then we're gonna come back. And if I still got enough energy, then I'm gonna go to the post office. But if I don't, that's just gonna have to wait till next weekend. Why is she so loud?
I'm gonna be like,
We'll get you shorts. Okay, what's up? Remember, we finna
oh, I'm standing on this. I'm gonna act like I'm a mannequin.
we finna come back next week. But we probably finna go to the other mall because this one sucks, bro. There's a mirror in that, Joe? There's a mirror in there? Or they don't have mirrors?
Yeah, they have mirror. They said home is in the holidays. But gosh, I love the English. Sorry.
Bro, I'm hungry. Like, I want to eat so bad. Hey, y'all. So, I'm back home. I didn't really record in the mall because it was hella packed. And I just ain't feel like recording. I'm not gonna lie. There was nothing really to record. We was just doing back to school shopping for Omar. And that was it. I didn't even get nothing. Well, I got a couple things. But it's like makeup. I got, I don't feel like getting that. But I just got some lip liner, some lip gloss and stuff like that. That's really the end of this video, though. There's nothing much to it. I'm not even gonna say, like, comment, why are you?
This one is scary.
Okay, but you didn't. Aren't you supposed to be watching the show?
Yeah. Are you filming a video?
Yeah.
About what?
Boy, I'm doing my outro. Like, can I continue it?
Fine.
You're ugly. Oh my goodness, bro. Anyways, like I was saying before he really interrupted, that's Omar, the person we went back to school shopping for. I would say like, comment, subscribe, but that is just according to me. So if you like the video, you already know what to do. I feel like I don't have to tell you to do that. But boy, shut up. I was just co-signing and talking about some Okay, but that's it. So peace.
Peace.
Shut up. Boy, don't come in my thing. Look what you're doing to my chair. He's so irritating. Okay, bye guys.